If you can see this, they're still going fucking retarded. I got about 30 fish in here. No keepers, but there's a lot of action. Look at that. And now I'm on the thing. Look at that. They're fucking blitzing out there on a fucking bunker. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Fucking peanut bunker. Look at that shit. Wait, let me get this fish in. He's by, he's near you. Oh, fuck. Let me get him in. Oh, he came off. Nice. Look at that shit. Look at that fucking major blitz. Look. Andrew. Oh man, this is fucking crazy.